Maintaining clean and accurate CRM data is critical. In this video, we'll walk through how review processes in Zoho CRM help you validate records before they enter your system. A review process is an approval workflow that triggers when a new record is created. Reviewers can approve, reject, or comment before the record is accepted. Review processes stop incorrect or placeholder data from entering your CRM, ensuring reports, campaigns, and sales activities remain accurate. If sales reps enter fake phone numbers like zeros, review processes can flag those records before they become part of your database. Go to Setup, open Review Processes, and create a new process. Select the module, name the process, and choose the appropriate layout. Set criteria to control which records enter review. Then select up to 10 fields such as phone number that need validation. Assign reviewers based on conditions and enable notifications so they are alerted when a record requires review. Define rejection reasons to guide users, then test the process by submitting a record, rejecting it, correcting it, and approving it. Review processes ensure clean data, help managers enforce standards, and keep sales moving without compromising data quality. Review processes act as a gatekeeper for your CRM. By stopping bad data at entry, you save hours of cleanup and keep Zoho CRM as a reliable source of truth.